Welcome back to ARC Southeast Texas, the Jefferson County Precinct Four Annual Health Fair. Take yourself and a loved one to the doctor day is this weekend, Saturday. We're so lucky to have Precinct 4 Commissioner Bo Alfred join us for this event. And Commissioner, this is one of my favorite events. And I always tell people as you get older, you see the value of some of these events, especially because everybody needs health care. But one of the things that keeps them from getting it is the cost. But you've taken care of that for how many years?
Oh, it's been 22 years, but 2 years we did only a drive-to because of COVID, but we have been there.
But you still did it. And the amazing thing is, you bring about COVID. I remember the stories we did that Precinct 4 was incredible in reaching out to the rural areas, going to the folks to not only getting tested, but also getting the immunization. So the service y'all provide is incredible. It's
a plus, you know, that mobile unit we have, we were instrumental in going after that grant to get that, and it provides service to the rural areas and including in cities too where it's needed. So it's a plus. Jefferson County has some blessed things ahead and still moving.
It is, and when you think about it, we're very lucky. It's a county that's growing, and a lot of folks moving into it, and you know, a lot of success, but we still have a part of our society needs to be taken care of. They've worked all their lives, and now it's their turn to be taken care of.
Without a doubt. I was reading an article just last week, and it talked about insurance, and we have a higher number in the state of individuals that work well, but doesn't have insurance. So this is a plus, and you can't beat it because it's free. And I have to first thank the medical professionals in our community because they volunteer their time. That's from physicians to nurses, nurse practitioners, you know, audiology department from Lamar University, nursing department from Lamar, Black Nurses Association. It's what it says, take a community to raise somebody. Well, we're a big community raising all of us.
And it's also important to, like you just said, they're all volunteer.
Yes, yes. All volunteers. And I have to thank the sponsors, the community partners, because that's what makes this engine roll. When you have volunteers, upwards of 360, and vendors there, that's a plus for the community providing different information.
And we're looking at some video. This is the event last year, and it's just really amazing. Not only you just saw there the sponsorships you get, but the fact, how many folks do you usually see on this one day?
Well, last year we had right at 950. With over 1,000 and something services provided, all free. You know, I love this here because our Lions Club come in, do reading glass screening for adults, give glasses, reading glasses, spot check vision for kids, let the parents know if they need, and they have to go out and get them. But that's a plus. The Greater 100 Black men of Beaumont and Life Share do a sickle cell drive. They've been doing it 17 years with us. It's a community thing. It's for the community. It's free. And guess what? You can't beat it because we need it in our community.
Well, I think one of the neat things that I know I've worked with you on and you've taken the lead is with Alzheimer's awareness.
Yes.
You know, obviously a lot of these seniors, a lot of times, sometimes they live alone and they don't know to recognize the signs. And that's something that you've drawn attention to. And you've been so good with that, with Alzheimer's awareness in the community, because that's something a lot of times seniors might live alone and they might not recognize the signs. And that's something that it's been fantastic.
But not just that, because they may live alone, but they have relatives here and they can pick up little things.
Right.
So we have a Dr. Jackson. She's a Central grad, and she come in and give stroke prevention. She also talks about dementia and giving education on that. So it's a big plus.
And here's the information. It's at Cathedral of Faith Baptist Church this Saturday from 9 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. So you got plenty of time to get there. And look at that, it says in small print, they're free to the public. And Cathedral of Faith, also a great partner for a lot of things what the commissioner does for our community. It's at 3755 Finette Road, not far from us.
Right.
You know, I see it all the time. And again, this is great. If you have any questions, you can call the number there for more information. That's the Commissioner Alfred's office there, and you have a lot of great you have so much, we always talk about it, your assistants do such a good job putting this together. And it's so funny because you and I talking about Alzheimer's, a lot of people don't know that Jefferson County has the highest rate of mortality in our state because, you know, it's an older population.
It's old, yes.
So you are taking care of the older folks and encouraging them. And again, the older folks can bring maybe some of those youngins too.
Exactly.
All those young folks that think they don't need a doctor, they need a doctor.
Without a question, and the services that they provide. So it's just a plus for our community. And we really thank you for having us on to expound and let the public know it's free. Come. It's from, of course, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can't beat it.
You can't beat it, and Cathedral Faith is easy to find. Commissioner, thank you for
Pleasure.
all you do. You've been doing this for many years. Senior member of court, but not because of age. Just been there a long time.
Yes, sir.
We appreciate all you and the commissioners do for Southeast Texas.
Thank you.